Hello, and welcome back to Everyday English. I'm Ben, and I'm here with...
Anna. And I'm Anna. We are so glad you've joined us for part 3 of our journey through the Oxford 3000. In this series, we're breaking down the most essential words in English to help you speak with confidence.
That's right. Today we're tackling the next 20 words on the list. Just like before, we'll pronounce each word, explain its meaning and how to use it, and give you 3 easy-to-remember examples.
Exactly. The goal is to make these words a natural part of your vocabulary. Shall we jump right in, Ben?
Let's do it. Starting with word number 21. 21. Addition. Our first word for today is the noun addition.
Addition means the act of adding something to something else.
It's often used in the common phrase in addition to, which means as well as or also.
Examples. The house has a new addition at the back. In addition to her full-time job, she also teaches yoga.
The latest addition to the museum's collection is a Roman statue.
22. Additional. Next up, the adjective additional.
Additional simply means extra or more than what was already planned or present.
It's a slightly more formal way to say more or extra. You place it before a noun, like additional information or additional costs.
We might need some additional help to finish on time. There are no additional charges for this service. The company provided additional training for new staff. 23. Address. Our next word is address. This can be both a noun and a verb.
As a noun, it's the details of where a person lives or where a building is located. As a verb, it means to speak to someone directly or to deal with a problem.
So you can have a home address and a manager can address her team.
Examples. What is your new home address? The president will address the nation tonight. We need to address the problem of pollution in our city.
24. Adequate.
Next, we have the adjective adequate.
Adequate means enough or satisfactory for a particular purpose. It means it's good enough, but maybe not excellent.
It's a useful word when something meets the minimum requirement but doesn't exceed it.
Examples. The food was adequate, but it wasn't amazing. Is your salary adequate to cover all your expenses? He didn't have adequate time to prepare for the presentation. 25. Adjust. Our 25th word is the verb adjust.
Adjust means to change something slightly to make it fit or work better. It can also mean getting used to a new situation.
You can adjust the volume on a TV, adjust your chair to be more comfortable, or adjust to a new culture.
Examples. Can you adjust the mirror so I can see behind me? It took me a few weeks to adjust to my new job. She had to adjust her plans at the last minute.
26. Administration.
Next is a longer noun, administration.
Administration refers to the activities involved in managing an organization, like a business or a government.
We often use it to talk about the government in power, like the current administration, or the department that handles paperwork and organization, like the office administration.
Examples. She works in the hospital administration department. The new administration has promised to lower taxes. There is too much administration involved in this process. 27. Admire. Our next verb is admire.
To admire someone or something is to respect and approve of them or their behavior.
You can admire someone for their courage, their skill, or their honesty. You can also admire a beautiful view.
Examples. I really admire the way she handles difficult situations. We stopped to admire the beautiful sunset. He has always admired his father for his hard work.
28. Admit.
Next up, the verb admit.
Admit means to agree, often unwillingly, that something is true. It also means to allow someone to enter a place.
So you can admit you made a mistake, or a ticket can admit you to a concert.
Examples. He finally admitted that he had broken the window. You have to admit, it was a very clever plan. This ticket will admit one person to the exhibition. 29. Adopt. Our next verb is adopt.
Adopt means to legally take another person's child into your own family to raise as your own. It can also mean to start using a particular method or idea.
So you can adopt a child or a pet, but you can also adopt a new strategy at work.
Examples. They are hoping to adopt a child. We decided to adopt a more aggressive marketing strategy. Last year, we went to the shelter to adopt a kitten.
30. Adult and adjective adult.
Adult refers to a person or animal that has finished growing and is no longer a child.
As an adjective, it describes something as being for adults, like in adult education class.
Examples. You must be an adult to watch this film. Tickets are £10 for adults and $5 for children. This is a serious adult conversation.
31. Advance.
Number 31 is advance. It can be a noun, verb, or adjective.
Advance. This means to move forward or to make progress. An advance can also be an amount of money paid before it is due.
The phrase in advance is very common and means beforehand or ahead of time.
Examples. We need to book our tickets in advance. The Army began to advance on the city. Scientific advances have changed our world.
32. Advanced.
Following that, the adjective advanced.
Advanced. This describes something that is modern and well-developed, or at a higher, more difficult level.
You might take an advanced English class or use advanced technology.
Examples. This course is for advanced learners only. The new phone uses very advanced technology. She has a very advanced understanding of the subject for her age.
33. Advantage.
Our next word is the noun advantage.
Advantage. This is a condition or circumstance that puts you in a better or more favorable position.
The opposite is disadvantage. A common phrase is to take advantage of something, which means to use an opportunity well.
Examples. His height gives him an advantage in basketball. One of the advantages of living in a city is the good public transport. You should take advantage of this special offer.
34. Adventure.
Next up is a fun noun, adventure.
Adventure. This is an unusual, exciting, and possibly dangerous experience or journey.
We often talk about going on an adventure. It implies excitement and the unknown.
Examples. Traveling through the jungle was a real adventure. He loves reading books about adventure and exploration. Life is a great adventure, so enjoy it.
35. Advertise.
Our next word is the verb advertise.
Advertise. This means to tell the public about a product or service in order to persuade them to buy it.
Companies advertise on TV, in newspapers, and online.
Examples. The company is planning to advertise its new shampoo on social media. They are advertising for a new manager in the local paper. You need to advertise more if you want to attract new customers.
36. Advertisement.
And related to that is the noun advertisement.
Advertisement. An advertisement is a notice, picture, or film telling people about a product, job, or service.
The short, informal word for this is ad, which we learned in part 2.
Examples. I saw an advertisement for a new restaurant. The magazine is full of colorful advertisements. She responded to an advertisement she saw online.
37. Advertising.
And the third related word is the noun advertising.
Advertising refers to the business or industry of creating advertisements.
So, advertisement is the thing you see, and advertising is the whole industry behind it.
Examples. He works in the advertising industry. The company has a very large budget for advertising. She's the head of an advertising agency.
38. Advice. Next, a very important noun, advice. Note the C sound at the end.
Advice. This is an opinion or recommendation that you give someone about what they should do.
This is an uncountable noun, which is very important. You cannot say an advice. You should say a piece of advice or some advice.
Examples. Can I give you a piece of advice? My father gave me some good advice about money. You should ask a lawyer for legal advice.
39. Advise. And now the verb form, advise. Notice the S sound at the end.
Advise. This means to give someone advice. So, advice with a C is the noun, and advise with an S is the verb. This is a common point of confusion, so it's a good one to remember.
Examples. I would advise you to book your tickets early. Her doctor advised her to get more rest. What would you advise me to do?
40. Affair.
And our final word for part 3 is affair.
Affair. This noun can mean an event or a matter of public interest. It can also refer to a secret sexual relationship between two people when one or both are married to someone else.
So, you can have current affairs on the news, which means current events, or in a very different context, someone can have an affair.
Examples. She is very well informed about current affairs. Events. Organizing the party was a complicated affair. Matter. The politician had to resign because of the affair. Secret relationship.
And that brings us to the end of part 3. We've covered words 21 to 40 of the Oxford 3000.
Well done for sticking with us. Learning vocabulary in small, manageable chunks like this is a fantastic way to make progress.
Why not challenge yourself? Try to use a new word like adequate or acknowledge in a sentence today.
Brilliant idea. Thanks for listening to Everyday English. We'll see you next time for part 4. Goodbye.
Cheers!